everyone, I'm excited to walk you through Content Intelligence, a sophisticated content generation agent built using LangGraph. This agent transforms your input text into platform optimized content across multiple social media channels. Let me show you the core architecture. There are four main components. Summary node. This will summarize our input text. Research node. This will take the text summary and do some research. This node will also take another input, which are these. This is the user detail, or I would say the client detail, which is using this agent. So this is a sort of a long-term memory for the agent available for each run of the agent. So every single time you run this agent, this will be a static thing. So on the extended scope, for each client, for each user, we can have different details. For example, here we are having LangGraph team, then we can have OpenAI Swarm and the details about OpenAI Swarm. These details and the text summary will go into the research node, and the platform we have picked, on this we will do some research. This research will help our platform specific nodes to generate optimized content. Intent matching node will pass those data to each node parallelly, and then we are combining. Let's see an example of this. Here in the graph we are putting text and the platforms. For the platforms we are using Twitter and blog. I have added a very short text into it. We can extend this, either it could be a big file or something, and it will generate a blog and tweet with some hashtags and other details as well. Some limitations are that it is only working with text. We can add images as well, and the user details can be taken through a chat interface or some other method as well. Thank you.